waters gently fill. Every breath a brand new chance, every step a sacred dance. Island winds begin to sing. Hope is carried on their wings, strong like roots beneath the sand. Peace is growing through the land. When the shadows cloud the day, love will always find a way. Hear the heartbeat of the drum, calling every soul to come. Walk with the light, don't lose your way. Hope grows stronger every day. Feel the rhythm deep and true. Let compassion carry you. Raise your hands beneath the sky. Lift your dreams and let them fly. One heart beating strong and free, like the endless Caribbean sea. Brass horn shine through evening air. Songs of mercy everywhere. Every child and elder knows kindness is the seed that grows. When the storm clouds gather near, faith will calm the voice of fear. Together standing side by side, truth and love become our guide. Light the fire deep within. Let new beginnings now begin. Beat the drum from sea to hill. Guide each heart with peaceful will. Stand as one beneath the sun. Our brighter future has begun. Deep melodic analog bass and curves the groove. Classic one-drop drums blended with dancehall syncopation. Layered Nyabinghi hand drums, congas and bongo. Crisp skunk guitar with bubbling vintage organ. Analog trumpet, trombone and tenor sax perform uplifting call and response melodies. Tape echo expands the home phrase into spacious textures. Spring reverb enriches guitars and percussion. Spacious one delay, create a sound and carry the atmosphere before the final call. Fight with the light, hand in hand, plant new hope across the land. Every voice becomes a song, showing every soul belongs. From the mountains to the sea, love becomes our destiny. One foundation strong and bright, together we will share the light. Evening settles on the bay, golden colors fade away. Island breeze begins to sing, peace is carried on its wings. Every wave tells ancient tales, hope is stronger than the gales. Roots beneath the sand, guide the heart with gentle hand. When the stars begin to glow, let your inner spirit grow. Hear the drum and hear the call. Love was always meant for all. Raise your heart into the light. Hold on through the longest night. Let the rhythm heal your soul. Every broken piece made whole. Feel the bass line, deep and true. Every sunrise starts anew. One love flowing wild and free like the endless Caribbean Sea. Brass horns echo through the square. Songs of kindness fill the air. Children dancing hand in hand, building dreams across the land. Every mountain, every stream carries one united dream. Plant the seeds of hope today. Watch them bloom along the way. Yeah, keep our fire burning bright. Guide our hearts through every night. Beat the drum from shore to hill. Fill our souls with peaceful will. Truth and mercy lead the way. Let's grow stronger every day. Jah, keep our fire burning bright. Guide our hearts through every night. Beat the drum from shore to hill. Fill our souls with peaceful will. Truth and mercy lead the way. Love grows stronger every day. Heat the low tick and I love bassline with warm vintage tone. Classic one drop groove blended with subtle dancehall syncopation. Lay out Nyabinghi, hand drums, congas and bongos, crisp skank guitar and bubbling hammer style organ. Analog trumpets, trombone and tin sax perform rich call and response phrases. Vintage tape echo sends horn medleys. Drifting through the mix, spring reverb creates a spacious island atmosphere. Dub delay swells around the final. Raise your heart into the light. Every dream is shining bright. Stand together side by side with compassion as our guide. From the islands to the skies, hope forever will arise. One foundation strong and free, bound by love and unity. finds the groove. Every step is made to move. Island wind carries songs of peace, teaching every fear to cease. Roots run deep beneath the sand. Strength is growing through the land. Lift your eyes beyond the rain. Joy will always rise again. Hear the drums, the spirit calls. Love is standing through it all. Freedom on the breeze we ride, with the ocean as our guide. Feel the bassline shake the ground. Let your joyful voice resound. Raise your hands beneath the sun. Many hearts are beating one. Hope will echo far and wide, keeping every dream alive. Golden horns begin to play, lighting up another day. Children laugh along the shore, dreaming bigger than before. Every mountain, every sea whispers songs of liberty. When we stand with open hearts, that's where every miracle starts. Jah, our light through darker skies. Lift the humble, make us wise. Beat the drum from hill to sea. Guide our hearts to unity. Truth shall bloom like morning rain, healing every hidden pain. From the islands to the plains, love forever shall remain. Come and like this seats to classic one-drop drums with dancehall syncopation. Layered Nyabinghi and drums, Krivskan guitars and bubbling organ. Analog trumpet, trombone and tenor sax perform call and response melodies. Vintage tape echo expands horn phrases. Spring river creates a spacious island atmosphere. Congas, bongos, shakers and tambourines keep the Caribbean pulse alive. Find it, freedom on the breeze we ride. Hope and love our faithful guide. Every heartbeat, every song shows that we all can belong. From the islands to the sky, lift your dreams and let them fly. One bright future we can see, rooted deep in unity. Smiles are blooming everywhere. Every child and elder knows kindness is the seed that grows. When the night begins to fall, hope will answer every call. Together we can cross the tide, with truth and love as faithful guides. Jah, keep the fire burning bright, guide us through the longest night. Beat the drum with steady hands, peace shall bloom across the lands. Every mountain, every sea, echo songs of liberty. One foundation, one embrace, love belongs to every place. Deep melodic jollock bassline driving the groove. Classic one drop drums with dancehall syncopation. Layer Nyabinghi hand drums and anklets. Crisp can guitar and bubbling on style organ. And a trumpet, trombone and tenor sax perform from bass, take call and response lines. Vintage state echo expands the brass into spacious dub touch those. Spring reverb create warmth around guitars and percussion. Congas, onde, shakers and tambourines add an irresistible Caribbean pulse. Walk in the light every day, let compassion lead the way. Sing together, voices high, like the birds across the sky. From the islands to the plains, love outlives the wind and rain. One bright future we will see, built on hope and unity. Before the sunrise warms the sea, I breathe in hope surrounding me. Every heartbeat finds its place, wrapped in mercy, wrapped in grace. Island winds begin to sing, carrying dreams on gentle wings. From every valley to the shore, love keeps opening every door. When the clouds begin to fall, faith reminds us to stand tall. Hear the drum, the rivers flow, planting seeds the soul will know. Whisper to the dawn with hope, every heart is learning how to cope. Light the fire that love has grown, no one walks this road alone. Lift your voice into the sky, let compassion multiply. One embrace beneath the sun, a brighter day has just begun. Yeah, begun. Yeah. Golden light upon the sand, peace is built by every hand. Smiles become the sweetest song, showing every soul belongs. When the evening shadows fall, kindness answers every call. Strong like roots beneath the rain, joy will always rise again. Just keep our spirits strong and bright, guide us through the darkest night. Beat the drum with steady flame, love and justice speak your name. Echo hope from sea to hill, calm each heart and strengthen will. One foundation firm and true, tomorrow starts with me and you. spirit strong and bright, guide us through the darkest night. Beat the drum with steady flame, love and justice speak your name. Echo hope from sea to hill, calm each heart and strengthen will. One foundation firm and true, tomorrow starts with me and you. Change a place from the mountains to the sea. Love will write our destiny. Sing together, hearts as one, shining brighter than the sun. Hope will echo ever strong in every soul, in every song.
Bright. Every wave reflects the light. Fresh beginnings fill the air. Hope is rising everywhere. Island breeze across the shore opens every hopeful door. Step by step we find our way, living for a brighter day. Hear the heartbeat of the drum, calling everyone to come. Every dream was born to fly. Golden horizon shining white, hope and love become our guide. Feel the rhythm in your soul, every heartbeat makes us whole. Dance together side by side, with the ocean as our guide. One bright future, one embrace, peace belongs to every place. Laughing in the square, songs of freedom fill the air. Every neighbor lends a hand, building joy across the land. Even when the storm clouds rise, faith is stronger than disguise. Roots grow deeper through the rain. Love will always still remain. Jah lead every step we take, for compassion's endless sake. From hill to sea, guide our hearts to unity. Fire of truth forever burns, every lesson brings returns. Strong in spirit, calm in grace, peace will reach the human race. Deep beloved, bassline carries the groove. Classic one drop rhythm with that. tropical percussion. Conduct maintains an infectious silent pulse. Golden horizon shining bright. Every heart becomes the light. Lift your voice across the sea. Sing a song of unity. From the islands to the plains, hope outlives the wind and rain. One love growing every day, lighting every soul's pathway. Golden horizon shining bright. Every heart becomes the light. Lift your voice across the sea. Sing a song of unity. From the islands to the plains, hope outlives the wind and rain. One love growing every day, lighting every soul's pathway. Wake with the sunrise calling your name. Every new morning brings a brighter flame. Open your heart to the island breeze. Freedom is dancing through the coconut trees. Footprints shining in the golden sand. Building tomorrow with a helping hand. Every smile is a melody, flowing together like the endless sea. Lift your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the strongest seed we sow. Feel the rhythm, let your spirit sing. Joy is the gift that every heart can bring. Sunshine in every soul. Love is the rhythm that makes us whole. Hands together, hearts in time. Every mountain we can climb. Ride the breeze, let your dreams unfold. Every story's worth more than gold. One heartbeat, one family, living in peace and harmony. Children laughing down the village lane. Hope keeps blooming after every rain. Brass and dancing through the afternoon. Every heartbeat finds a brand new tune. From the rivers to the highest hill, kindness moves with quiet will. Every neighbor, every friend, walking together until the end. Jah keep the fire burning bright. Guide our footsteps through the night. Beat the drum with steady grace. Let compassion fill this place. Truth will blossom like the trees, carried softly on the breeze. One foundation, one embrace. Hope will shine in every place. Yeah. Deep rolling bass line locks into a classic one-drop groove. Dancehall inspired drum accents with Leia, Nyabinghi and drums. Christian guitars and bubbling in a run style organ. Analog, trumpet and trombone and drum and sax straight joyful melodies. Vintage tape echo repeats horn phrases into spacious dub stars. Spring reverb adds warmth to guitars and percussion. Congas, bongos, shakers and tambourines keep the Caribbean pulse alive. Sunshine in every soul, together we can reach the goal. Lift your hands beneath the sky. Every dream was born to fly. Sing with hope from shore to shore. Love grows stronger evermore. One
trials we remain, dancing softly through the rain. Raise your voice above the fear, every distant dream is near. Hear the drums across the land, moving hearts hand in hand. Lift the banner of tomorrow, trade the darkness for no sorrow. One heartbeat beneath one sky, together we were born to rise. Ride the rhythm strong and true, every dream begins with you. Let the echoes carry on, shining brighter than the dawn. Island winds begin to sing songs of peace on every wing. Bridges built with open hands, joining hearts across the lands. When the thunder fills the night, faith becomes our guiding light. Roots grow deeper, standing tall. Love is strong enough for all. Jah, keep our footsteps firm and wise. Lift our spirits to the skies. Beat the drum with joyful sound. Let true unity abound. Mountains echo, rivers flow. Plant the future, watch it grow. One foundation, one embrace. Peace belongs to every place. Lift the banner of tomorrow, trade the darkness for no sorrow. One heartbeat beneath one sky, together we were born to rise. Ride the rhythm strong and true, every dream begins with you. Let the echoes carry on, shining brighter than the dawn. The first light climbs across the bay, washing every fear away. Strong like roots beneath the sand, hope is growing through this land. Island wind begins to sing, freedom rides on every string. Step by step the fire grows, every heart already knows. Lift your eyes beyond the night, every dawn reveals the light. Hear the drum and hear the call. moving gently through the trees. Every neighbor hand in hand, building peace across the land. Even when the rain appears, faith is louder than our fears. Plan tomorrow with your song. Every soul knows where they belong. Jah guide our feet along the way. Fill our hearts with hope today. Beat the drum from shore to shore. Let compassion open every door. Truth will bloom where kindness grows. Like the river softly flows. United voices standing tall. Peace and justice belong to all. Deep rolling bassline takes center stage. One drop drums blend with dancehall in my muscle. Nyabinghi hand drums build intensity. Offbeat skank guitar and bubbling organ. Analog trumpet, saxophone and trombone trade melodic phrases. Vintage tape echo expands whole lines. Spring reverb creates a spatial Caribbean atmosphere. Dub style delays on vocal ad-libs. Before the final calls, final tolls. Stand like the sunrise, proud and strong. Every heartbeat sings along. Lift the banner, keep it high. Hope will never say goodbye. From the islands to the plains, love outlives the wind and rain. One heartbeat beneath one sky. Together we will always rise.
Morning breaks with a river of gold. Stories of courage forever told. Every heartbeat finds its place. Walking steady in amazing grace. Island winds carry songs of peace, calling every burden to release. From the shoreline to the mountain high, faith keeps teaching dreams to fly. Lift your spirit, don't look back. Love will always light the track. Hear the drums and horns proclaim. Hope and freedom call your name. Higher than the breeze we rise, dreaming underneath blue skies. One heartbeat, one destiny, moving like the endless sea. Let the rhythm guide your soul. Every broken piece made whole. Stand together, voices strong. Love will always lead us on. Brass horns echo through the square. Smiles and laughter fill the air. Young and old move side by side, carrying hope with humble pride. Plant the seed and watch it grow. Share the light that you now know. Every sunrise writes a song, showing every soul belongs. Jah keep a fire burning bright, guide us to the darkest night. Beat the drum from coast to hill, strengthen every faithful will. Lift your spirit, don't look back.
sea tonight. Golden waves reflecting hope and light. Every heartbeat moves in perfect time. Love and freedom climbing like the vine. Island breeze carries ancient songs, teaching every soul where they belong. From the valleys to the mountain high, faith keeps lifting every dream to fly. Hear the drum, let the spirit rise. Truth is shining in 1,000 eyes. Hand in hand we build a brighter way. Love grows stronger every single day. Shine beneath the moon so bright, hearts together through the longest night. Ride the rhythm, let your spirit fly. Hope is written across the sky. One heartbeat, one family, flowing like the endless sea. Every voice becomes a flame. Love and peace become our name. Brass horns calling through the streets. Every smile and every soul it meets. Children laughing, elders keeping time. Every chorus stronger than before. The roots grow deep beneath the rain. Joy can heal the deepest pain. Every sunrise writes a brand new page. Freedom lives beyond the cage. Jah guide every step we take. Keep our hearts awake. Beat the drum from shore to shore. Open every hopeful door. Stand together, never fear. Let compassion draw us near. Through the echoes, through the storm, love will keep the spirit warm. Shine beneath the moon so bright, every soul becomes the light. Feel the bassline strong and true. Every dream begins with you. Sing together, voices free, flowing like the endless sea. From the islands to every land, hope will bloom where we all stand. Morning breaks with a lion's roar. Feet on the road, we're rising more. Ashes fall, but the flame burns bright. Truth keeps shining through the darkest night. Island wind carries every prayer. Hope keeps growing everywhere. From the valleys to the mountain high, freedom song will never die. Lift your banner to the sky. No surrender, hold it high. Every heartbeat keeps the fire alive. One foundation helps us thrive. Fire never sleeps tonight. Keep your spirit burning bright. Ride the rhythm, stand up strong. Together we will carry on. Raise your voice across the sea. Songs of courage fill the air. Every sister, every brother, standing strong beside each other. Roots run deep beneath the ground. Power grows without a sound. Drums of justice lead the way. Hope is born with every day. Jah shield through every fight. Guide our footsteps with your light. Beat the drum and sound the call. Love and truth belong to all. Mountains stand and rivers flow. Seeds of peace continue to grow. From the islands to every land, unity will always stand. Fire never sleeps tonight. Every dream is shining bright. Feel the bass line shake the ground. Lift your voice with joyful sound. Dance together, hand in hand, building hope across the land. One heartbeat beneath the sun. Many people living as one. Sunrise paints the shoreline gold. Stories of the brave unfold. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Every step is made to move. Island breeze upon my face. Hope is something none can chase. Freedom grows where love is found. Lift your spirit from the ground.
No chain can hold the rising tide. Truth and love will always guide. Hear the elders' voices sing. Peace begins in everything.
Open up the sky today. Let the light show us the way. Every heartbeat, every smile makes this journey so worthwhile. Raise your voice and stand as one, shining brighter than the sun. Island rhythm, heart set free. Love will write our destiny. Funds are calling through the town. No more fear can hold us down. Every neighbor, every friend, together strong until the end. Roots grow deeper through the rain. Joy will always conquer pain. Plant tomorrow with your hands, building hope across the land.
Jah shelter through the storm. Keep our hearts forever warm. Guide the weak and lift the small. Love and justice stand for all.
Beat the drum both night and day. Keep the darkness far away. One foundation, one embrace. Peace will shine in every day. Open up the sky today. Every soul will find the way. Feel the bass line strong and deep. Promises we're bound to keep. Sing together loud and free. From the hills down to the sea. Every heartbeat, every sound. One love makes the world go round.
the island sky. Golden light keeps our dreams alive. Every heartbeat finds a brighter way. Through the storm we'll greet another day. Ocean breeze carries every prayer. Hope is growing in the open air. Step by step we leave the fear behind. One love living in a peaceful mind. Lift your hands to the morning light. Every soul was born to shine so bright. Hear the drums calling near and far. Together we become who we are. Rise with the morning sun. Our journey has just begun. Feel the river moving everyone. One heartbeat under one bright sun. Dance through the fire, never let it fade. Love is stronger than the fear we've made. From every shoreline, voices become one. Rise together with the morning sun. Hey. Steel drum laughing with the ocean tide. Children singing with their heads held high. Every smile is a victory song, showing every broken heart belongs. Plant the seeds where tomorrow grows. What our dreams till the whole world knows. Peace begins with a single flame. Every neighbor calling out your name. Jah guide every daughter and son. Keep the faithful standing as one. Thunder rolls but we will not run. Like forever the battle is won. Rise with the morning sun. Every race and every nation one. Feel the heartbeat of the island drum. Love is the language for everyone. Rise together, voices strong. Every spirit singing one new song. From the mountains to the Caribbean Sea. Hope forever sets our people free. The morning sun. Our journey has just begun. Feel the rhythm moving everyone. One heartbeat under one bright sun. Dance through the fire, never let it fade. Love is stronger than the fear we've made. From every shoreline, voices become one.